Today I'm just going to go through a few ideas with Flask. So on Friday we basically had just a very simple line there, try to solve this phrase which came up with return. We ran our server and run it through a HTML page or a browser, Chrome browser preferably. I wanted to sort of make a really nice interface, so I open up Dreamweaver and I've basically got this heading in heading 1 font, this is in heading 2, choose a letter, and then I've got a really nice table, and my phrase is bat out of hell, so I'll put spaces in yellow, and I've got my blank areas for the letters when they come in. It's just a bit of a prototype. So to put all of that code into my Python program, I go to code view, and anything between body, so this is my heading there, this is my heading 2, choose a letter, the and NBSP semicolon just means a space in HTML language, so don't be put off by that. You can just leave that blank, but I'm just going to copy all of this down to body again, and I don't think I need a space there. Anyway, I'll put it in. Copy, Control C to copy, go back to your Python program, and if I take off that last quote there and paste it in there, that's not going to work because I need to encapsulate all of it within quotes, and a single quote, even if I put a single quote there, then the bottom, it's not going to work. So what I need is triple quotes. So I'm just going to replace, I can take that out because I've already got that in my code. So I've put triple quote, you'll notice it all turns green, and then triple quote down the bottom, and that hopefully that should work. So just save that, Control S to save it, and then I have to go through my server setup with command line and to do the set Flask and Flask run, and when you do that it should come up with a nice interface in the browser. Remember our 127 address there to come up, and it should come up nice and neatly like that.